It's running. Still going.
What a great day.
What a day. It's still going. Man, you better write this down, guys. Knock on wood. Well, Joe, it's starting to look like a tool truck again. You've been loading her down. Looking good in here. Really good.
Hey guys, how you doing? Well, so far I haven't found my staple gun because there's nothing up here. I don't have my bands. I can't find where I got my bands, so I can't put so much up here yet, but it'll get there. I only got my Dodge Ram unloaded.
So this is everything you had in your truck?
No, there's a few other things that were not in my truck, but
Holy cow.
yeah, most of this was from in the truck and a few things that got delivered that need to be delivered, and that's important stuff. So,
You had that Dodge loaded down, didn't you?
yeah.
Man.
But I did find a few things that I had that I needed delivered that I probably had for a couple of weeks, and I apologize to the guy. Says, "Hey, I'm sorry. I think I had this for a couple of weeks, but
Yeah. It happens.
So we're going to go over this quick because we got a couple surprises, a couple of neat things for you guys to see. So I just wanted to see that. Yeah, we still got a truck, and we got some tools.
There you go.
But first, everybody's favorite, and
They either love it or hate it, Joe.
Yeah,
Ain't
well,
no in between. They love it or hate it.
we have Mr. Louis Estrada Jr. from California, sunny California. We have Mr. Peter Kristrup, also from sunny California. Mr. Robert Bolander. Now, I've been dealing with him for a long time. He doesn't often get in the bucket of cash, but he said something to try to make me feel a lot taller than I am, like a couple different times over the last week, but I can't repeat what he said. But, and we have our favorite ex-service member, because he retired, but Mr. Mark Griffin for 3.
There you go.
So I want to thank everybody. Now, we do have a bunch of tools. I have sets, and we'll talk about pricing later, but I got sets of the gear wrench auto bite. It's a 12-inch, a 9-inch, and a 6-inch. I got a few sets of those. I have the VIM gun magnets. They are stout enough to rack a gun. Magnet's strong enough to rack a gun. You got the double sticky tape. You got the 4 screws. You mount it where you need to for safety.
Yep.
Safety, concealment. So I got a bunch of those stacked up like here, there, over there, everywhere.
Got the socket straps and the can magnets.
We do. We have the Astro Digital Tire Inflator with the quick chuck.
Yep, those are awesome.
I got more of these Astro lights. Bunch of the rope ratchets. Bunch of them, as we see. I got
Plenty of no-cos.
we got plenty of no-cos. I got the 155 to 75s, the 10 amps. I got the 2 amp direct bolt-ons. We have spring tools as far as the steel,
sets.
the ones with the 5 and the 3,000 pound pins, 2-piece sets. I got a bunch of the Knee Pros ratchets. If there's a size here of the no-cos or Knee Pros that I don't have, just ask, I can get. I have the VIM 1/4 inch and 3/8 socket sets. I even got some redback boots, size 10.
Mm-hmm.
I got some Milwaukee stack-ons. I got a bunch of Milwaukee stuff. I kept looking for my my staple gun so I could staple some stuff up out of the way and have room for more, but that'll be another day. I got a bunch of the Astro Motion Sense headlights. I got the Astro wireless charging lights. I have the Max Beam the wireless charging lights. They're all great lights.
Oh, those are a good set right there.
We have the CTA 7-piece flip socket set.
Half sizes, can't beat them.
Astro adjustable angle filter wrench. You get them in where you can't get in this way. So this stack was a whole lot bigger when it started. Of course, I got a whole bunch of these 310 oil filters, funnel holders. Blah. So we got those. There's only one green, so 10 people call me for the green. I just get more of them. That's all.
I'm excited for you to show everybody what you got inside, hiding away.
I'm just going over it quick. I got a bunch of scopes, light laser combos, you name it. I got the big weapon of destruction right here.
Yep.
He's hiding under a bunch of these, but only place I had a magnet to stick that up. So we're going to do the disappearing act and reappear somewhere, but my magic thing is not happening.
All right, this is cool. So you guys stick around for this one.
We're here. Where are we? Oh, we're somewhere. But anyways, okay. One of the things I was looking for is I got a whole bunch more of the Knipex step cuts in. So I have these, a bunch of them.
And for those that don't know what these are,
they
the
will
way
cut.
the teeth are made in there,
They will cut.
you can actually cut way bigger stuff. If it can fit in there, it will cut it. But it's not for steel.
If you had,
right there.
do not cut steel.
Cut steel.
But if you had brake cable that big, it will cut through it like butter.
Like the
hot knife.
battery cables, I cut, if you guys haven't seen the video, go back and watch my video. I cut a huge battery cable with ease with that thing, so they're well worth the money.
There. But it seems how we're talking Knipex. Look at this. Knipex.
52 inch, or 52 quart, I should say. Arctic
52 quart Arctic cooler. It says Mobile 2 network on it. Knipex on top of it. What do you think is inside here?
It's got the heavy duty drain plug with the wire keeper on it.
I love this wire keeper. It's on both sides.
It's got a drain on both sides. That's cool. So no matter where you want to drain.
So it's saying that, some guys, when they're busy in a hurry, they drain their cooler and they pack up and leave. It's like, where did my plug go? Oh no. Oh wait, it's still attached.
Yep.
So you're no longer the
what you got hiding in here?
Oh, well, let's take a guess. Knipex. Everybody's favorite, the 5-inch Cobra pocket pliers. Wait. It says free bottle opener included. And it says Knipex on there too. So
it's for those that like to drink in a bar, they call this a church key.
Yeah.
And
yeah,
so you can slap them down real quick and
you always in there to
open your cold beer up.
To Sunday night going to church or Sunday morning.
Well, that's a good looking cooler. It comes with a basket and a freezer divider.
So I pull the basket out. I hope I can't pull that divider out. I have Knipex spilling over. What is this? There are Knipex. And Knipex. I like to say there's a bunch in here.
Yeah.
There's a bunch.
There's a bunch in there.
Okay, so let me fan them to guess. The idea is you buy one of these and you get the free bottle opener, and you obviously get a chance to win this here cool cooler, because it is summertime.
Yes, sir.
All right.
That would look good on the back of my side-by-side filled with
That would look
Michelob
good.
Ultra.
That'd look good anywhere, especially when it's cold, filled with cold ones. And the thing is, when you fill with ice, a bunch of cold ones, they stay cold a good long time.
Yep. So how much are the pliers with a free bottle opener
Free bottle opener.
and a chance to win the cooler?
They are $50.
$50. Okay.
So, guys buy these by 1, 2s, and 3s. Get a chance to win the cooler with a nice basket in it. The divider is something you can freeze as well.
Very nice. Very
And
nice. Well, the cooler's $200, so you know you get a free
Nice.
bottle opener anyway.
nice handles.
Nice. See, you got
And
something else hiding
These
over
nice
here.
drains. Oh, I got some of these here. We got the VIM
I just
tool
did a
bit
video
set.
on that last week.
You did. The FRBS 89.
Let me tell you how smart VIM Tools is, okay?
Okay.
That stands for Flexible Ratchet Bit Set 89 piece. Genius.
You got a logo.
Genius.
Look at that. I bet you if we count, there's 89
I
pieces.
guarantee you they are.
It's flexible. It's got every kind of bit you can imagine you can use. And they're not just cheap bits. They're hardened steel.
VIM's made great bits for years and years and years, so.
They have.
And they have the sockets in this set, so you can see how low profile those are when you put it in a bit ratchet. They're the way to go.
They got the ratchet. It locks. And you can use the ratchet with the extension. There's a certain way to put it in, where you can either use it as a ratchet,
Or a T-handle.
and I don't have my glasses on, but with the lighting in here, it's on here. Wait, I can see it
Yeah, there's
sometime.
there's the serrated part right here on this edge. So line it up with a white dot on the ratchet and push it all the way through. I think you can get it lined up. Now push it there.
See?
There you go.
Just like that. Now we got a T-handle.
Yep.
Handy. So,
Fine set right there.
multi-useful, multi-adaptable. It's a great set.
What's the price on that one?
Where is that? 150? So
Joe's having to think.
Joe's having to think. That's not working. We'll get back to you, but I'm pretty sure that's what they.
Okay. We'll put it on the screen.
We'll put it on the
before
screen because Joe is like overload today right now.
Because we got all this cool stuff.
Great
And there's
set.
one more big one back
Oh,
here.
look at this. We have them. We got to pull this out so you can see these wheels. Chrome gets you home.
Chrome.
Now, check out this name tag. It's not just like a little sticker. And
Yep.
but they do put their fancy sticker for you. Nice rubber handle for grip.
Mm-hmm.
And of course, you got the cool sticker in the back too, because you got to have something in the back.
Yep.
Now, you got all the slots for your screwdrivers, pry bars on both sides. When you close the lid down, it locks your drawers so they don't pull out, but you got two nice drawers on top. You got another full-size drawer, and then the deep full-size drawer, and then you got the tray on the
Storage
bottom. So, you got these here. They come in black or black or black, just
Okay.
like
All three colors are black.
just like Ford said. You can
Yeah.
have it any color you want as long as it's black. So
Looks
they're
good.
$7.99.
$7.99. Very nice carts, man.
They are. That they are.
Very nice. Comes with 2 keys. I noticed that
Two
when we was
keys.
looking up there. So
2 keys.
that's a good
It's
thing.
good to have a key.
Hide a key and keep a key.
Have a key, keep a key, have a key. So, we got these here for you as well.
Okay. So if you guys need
A cooler.
a 5-inch Cobra with a bottle opener,
It is
or the
It
bit
is
set, or
starting to
the
be summertime,
step
party time.
cuts, you know where to get Joe at. His number is right down here at 731-412-7295. I gotta shoot him a text, because if you call him, it's gonna say I'm driving right now. So text Joe, he can get anything you need. Get in there to win that cool Knipex with the ball opener. Can't beat it. Like always, guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up and check over here for merchandise, cool tools, and discount codes down here. If you're not subscribed, click that button. Y'all have a great week. See ya.